Welcome the little learners. In this fun and colorful video, we will learn about healthy and unhealthy foods by sorting different food items into the right basket. So let us find out which food help us to grow strong and which one we should eat only sometimes. So let us start our journey. First is apple. So apple keep us strong and healthy with lots of vitamins. So it is healthy food. Next is pizza. Pizza is yummy but has too much cheese and oil. So it is unhealthy. Ice cream. Next is ice cream is sweet and cold but not healthy to eat every day. Banana gives us quick energy and keep our tummy happy. So it is healthy food. Candies. Candies are full of sugar and can hurt our teeth, so it is unhealthy food. Next is cold coffee. Has sugar and caffeine, not good for children, so we will sort it into unhealthy food basket. Next is burger. Tasty but has too much fat and oil, so it is unhealthy food. Milk. Milk makes our bone strong and also teeth. So it is healthy food category. We should drink every day. French fries. Fried and salty, not good to eat often. Strawberries. Strawberries are sweet and full of vitamins, so it is healthy food. Strawberries are healthy. Next is grapes. Grapes are juicy fruit that gives us energy and vitamins, so it is healthy food. So next food item is cake. Cakes are soft and sweet only for special days. So we will sort it into unhealthy food basket. Next is carrot. Carrots help us to see better and keep our eye healthy. So it is healthy food. Donuts. Donuts are sugary and fried, not healthy for every day. So it is unhealthy food. Fried food has lots of oil and can make us lazy. So it is unhealthy food. Next is eggs. Eggs are healthy because this gives us protein to help our body grow strong. Candy, fun to eat, but bad for our teeth if we eat too much because it has sugar, so it is unhealthy food. Last is avocado, has good fat and that keep our body healthy, so it is healthy food. So in the last I will give you two food items, so you will sort it into healthy or unhealthy basket. So please tell me in the comment, biscuits and vegetables. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Thanks.